This isn't a mistake. It's modern interpretive driving. He's not lost, he's just exploring backwards. He didn't just make a mistake, he choreographed a 5-car tragedy. Accident? Nah, this was a group project gone wrong. Bro jumped out like it was a Marvel stunt, and the truck did the final act. This isn't driving, it's a breakup scene. He didn't park it, he emotionally let it go. Mission: exit the space. Difficulty: impossible. Every time she moved, insurance agents flinched. That was less of an exit and more of a public art project. Reverse, crash, forward, crash, innovation in motion. By the end, the only thing that left clean was her conscience. And here we see the rare highway salmon swimming upstream. Plot twist: it was all part of a highly choreographed ballet.